Best foldable drones. Are you looking for the best foldable drones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best foldable drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The drone with camera 1080p HD FPV is an ideal choice for beginners and kids looking to explore the world of drones. This foldable quadcopter combines simplicity with advanced features to provide an enjoyable and easy-to-use flying experience. It is equipped with a 1080p HD camera that allows for clear, high-quality aerial photography and video recording, making it perfect for capturing fun moments and learning the basics of drone flying. One of the standout features of this drone is its FPV, first-person view, capability, which allows users to view a live video feed directly from the drone's camera to their smartphone. This feature provides an immersive flying experience, letting users see exactly what the drone sees in real time. The drone is also foldable, making it highly portable and easy to carry around in the included carrying case. Its compact design makes it convenient for outdoor use and travel. The drone is designed with user-friendliness in mind, offering voice and gesture control features. These modes allow users to control the drone with simple voice commands or by making hand gestures, making it accessible and fun for kids and beginners. The one-key takeoff and landing feature adds to its ease of use, enabling the drone to ascend and descend with just the press of a button. Additionally, the optical flow positioning ensures stable hovering and smooth flight, even in challenging conditions. This feature helps the drone maintain its position when flying indoors or in confined spaces. The drone also includes 360 degrees flip capabilities and waypoint flying, where users can set a path for the drone to follow autonomously. These features add an extra layer of excitement and learning opportunities, allowing users to practice basic flying maneuvers and explore the full potential of their drone. The combination of these features makes the drone with camera 1080p HD FPV an excellent choice for both beginners and kids, offering an engaging and educational experience for those new to drone flying. Overall, the drone with camera 1080p HD FPV offers a well-rounded package for beginners and kids, combining ease of use, fun features, and a quality camera for capturing aerial views. Its portability, user-friendly controls, and safety features make it an ideal choice for introducing young enthusiasts to the world of drone flying. Number 2. The mini drone with camera is a compact and feature-packed drone designed for both adults and kids, offering a fun and accessible way to experience drone flying. This foldable quadcopter comes equipped with a 1080p camera, providing clear and sharp aerial photos and videos. It's an ideal choice for beginners and younger users due to its user-friendly controls and safety features. One of the standout features of this mini drone is its stable altitude hold, which allows the drone to maintain a consistent height during flight. This feature is particularly beneficial for newcomers, making it easier to learn how to control the drone without worrying about altitude adjustments. The drone also incorporates gravity control, enabling users to steer the drone by tilting their smartphone, offering a more intuitive flying experience. Additionally, the trajectory flight mode allows users to draw a path on their smartphone screen, and the drone will follow that path autonomously, adding a fun and creative aspect to flying. The drone includes a 90 degrees adjustable lens, enabling users to capture varied perspectives with ease. Whether it's looking straight ahead or capturing ground-level shots, the adjustable lens provides flexibility in capturing the desired shot. The one-key takeoff and landing feature simplifies the operation, allowing the drone to start and stop flight with a single button press, making it accessible for kids and beginners. The mini drone comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, doubling the flight time, which extends playtime and provides more opportunities for exploring the skies. Overall, the mini drone with camera offers a great blend of portability, ease of use, and fun features, making it a fantastic choice for both adults and kids. Its combination of a quality 1080p camera, stable flight capabilities, and user-friendly controls ensures an enjoyable and educational experience for new drone enthusiasts. Whether for casual flying around the backyard or capturing memorable aerial footage, this mini drone is a versatile and enjoyable choice. Number 3. The drone with camera is a versatile and beginner-friendly drone designed for both kids and adults. It features a 2K FPV camera, offering high-quality aerial footage and photos, making it an excellent choice for those new to drone flying. The combination of advanced features and user-friendly controls makes it an ideal choice for beginners and younger users. One of the key features of this drone is its brushless motor, which provides smoother and quieter flight performance compared to traditional brushed motors. The brushless motor enhances the drone's stability and longevity, ensuring reliable and consistent flight. The drone also includes altitude hold, a feature that allows it to maintain a steady height in the air, simplifying control for new pilots. This is particularly useful for beginners as it reduces the need for constant altitude adjustments, allowing users to focus more on learning how to fly. The gesture selfie feature is a fun addition, enabling users to take selfies simply by making hand gestures. This hands-free functionality adds a playful element to the drone's operation, making it appealing for kids and creating an easy way to capture memorable photos without the need for a controller. The one-key takeoff and landing makes the drone accessible for beginners, allowing them to start and stop flights with a single button press. Additionally, the 3D flips and waypoint fly features provide an exciting and dynamic flying experience, letting users perform aerial tricks and plan flight paths autonomously. The drone is foldable, making it highly portable and easy to carry in the included carrying case. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, extending the flight time and providing longer play sessions. This portability, combined with its features, makes it perfect for outdoor adventures and travel. Overall, the drone with camera offers a great combination of advanced flight features, ease of use, and fun elements, making it a fantastic choice for kids and beginners looking to explore the world of drone flying. Number 4. The drone with 1080p camera is a user-friendly and feature-packed quadcopter designed specifically for beginners and kids. It offers an accessible and fun introduction to the world of drone flying, making it an excellent choice for younger users and novices. This foldable remote control drone combines practical features with safety and fun elements, ensuring an enjoyable and educational flying experience. One of the standout features of this drone is its 1080p camera, which provides clear and high-quality aerial photos and videos. The camera captures impressive footage, allowing users to explore the skies from a new perspective. For beginners, the camera provides an immersive way to learn about drone operation and photography. The drone also includes altitude hold, a useful feature that stabilizes the drone at a desired height, making it easier for beginners to control. This reduces the complexity of learning to fly and allows users to focus more on basic flight controls. The drone's voice control feature adds an interactive and hands-free element, allowing users to control the drone using simple voice commands. This feature is not only fun but also a great learning tool for kids, encouraging them to engage with the drone in a more intuitive way. Gesture selfie mode enables users to capture photos with hand gestures, adding a playful element to the drone's operation and allowing kids to take selfies without needing a separate controller. The one-key start and landing simplifies operation, enabling the drone to take off and land with the press of a button, making it easy for younger users to handle. In addition to its practical features, the drone can perform 3D flips and rolls, adding an exciting and dynamic element to the flying experience. The package includes 2 rechargeable batteries, extending the playtime and ensuring longer flying sessions. The foldable design and included carrying case make the drone highly portable, allowing it to be easily transported for outdoor fun. Overall, the drone with 1080p camera is a great toy for boys and girls, providing an engaging and educational introduction to drone flying with its combination of user-friendly features, safety elements, and fun capabilities. Number 5. The mini drone with camera is an ideal choice for beginners and adults looking to enter the world of drone flying. This compact and feature-rich quadcopter combines practicality with fun, making it an excellent gift or toy for anyone new to drone flying. The drone's thoughtful design and user-friendly features ensure an enjoyable and accessible flying experience for all skill levels. One of the standout features of this mini drone is its 1080p HD camera, which provides clear and crisp aerial footage, allowing users to capture beautiful high-quality photos and videos. The camera's 90 degrees adjustable lens offers flexibility in capturing different perspectives, making it easy to frame shots and experiment with various angles. This feature is particularly useful for beginners, enabling them to learn about drone operation and aerial photography without the need for additional equipment. The drone includes a foldable design and a convenient carrying case, making it highly portable and easy to transport. This portability is perfect for outdoor adventures and travel, allowing users to take the drone anywhere they go. It also comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, extending flight time and ensuring longer play sessions. The one-key takeoff and landing feature simplifies operation, making the drone accessible to beginners who may find traditional drone controls intimidating. Additionally, the altitude hold function helps maintain a stable flight, providing smoother control and easing the learning curve for new pilots. For added fun, the drone can perform 360 degrees flips, making it not only a practical tool for capturing aerial photos but also an entertaining toy. The drone's intuitive controls make it easy to handle, and its features, such as gesture selfies and altitude hold, enhance the overall user experience. Whether used indoors or outdoors, this mini drone offers a great balance of fun, functionality, and ease of use. It is an excellent choice for both adults and beginners, providing a gateway into the exciting world of drone flying with its combination of high-quality camera, safety features, and playful elements.